Hi, it's time to paint your abstract cardboard face. You're going to get acrylic paint on a paper plate, and you're having primary colors, magenta, black, and white. You're going to start by mixing up the color that you want for the face, the part that all the little pieces are glued onto. I want gray. Gray is a neutral color, and I think if I use bright colors on top of my neutral color, it's going to really stand out. So I'm mixing up the gray that I want, and it's really thick, so I'm just adding a little water to make the paint easier to work with. Not too much water, just enough. Use the tip of your brush to get in all those little nooks and crannies, and your artwork will look really neat. I'd like to make some orange, and I know that red and yellow make orange for my color wheel, but I'm using magenta because I think the magenta just kind of makes a more warm and fun orange color. You can make the orange with magenta or red, that's totally up to you. Once you've painted in all of your main shapes, the shapes you cut out with the cardboard, your acrylic paint might not be dry yet, but it's probably okay enough to paint on top of it without mixing in the colors too much, because acrylic paint is really thick. So I'm adding some blue details to the eyes, maybe a little magenta on the nose. You just want to kind of add some little texture spots like stripes or dots or any kind of like pattern detail that is going to make your solid colors a little more interesting.